So you want to make money online as a musician. Let's go ahead and talk about it. Hey guys, how's it going? Austin Reed here, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome to the channel that's dedicated to teaching you guys on how to be a successful musician. Go ahead and click that like and subscribe button if you guys want to be a successful musician too. Alright, so today we're going to talk about the top 5 ways to make money online as a musician. Now I know I'm kind of remaking this video. In the last video I gave a lot more tips, but I gave some kind of mediocre tips at the beginning and all the juicy stuff at the end, and a lot of you guys didn't stick through to hear all the juicy stuff. So I decided I'm going to take out some of those mediocre tips and just leave a lot more juicy things for you guys to learn from, okay? So the first thing that I've got up for you guys is Fiverr, okay? Fiverr is a really great way for you guys not only to develop your skills, but also for you guys to make some side cash while you're doing it. So for example, if you're not very good at making music videos yet, you can take some YouTube tutorials. You can even take my class on how to make music videos. I have the link down below in the description, and it will teach you how to make some music videos. And then you can go on Fiverr and you can actually sell music videos to people and develop your skills. And then when you make a music video, you'll be a lot better and a lot more suited. You can do this with lyrics and all kinds of different things. So this is a really great tool for you to learn how to be a better musician while making money doing it. Alright, the very next source of income I'm going to tell you guys about is called Upwork. Now it's a lot like Fiverr. It's an online marketplace, except for it's a little different. Instead of posting gigs of things that you can do, people post jobs and you apply for those jobs. Now those jobs are a lot more steady, which is amazing. It's just a little bit harder to get started on Upwork. Whereas with Fiverr, you can make $1,000 a month on Fiverr on your 3rd month pretty easy. And after 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, you can make maybe 1.5, 2K a month on Fiverr. Upwork, you can make the same amount of money, but it's going to take slightly more time because you kind of have to build up your portfolio first. But the cool thing is a lot of the clients there are reoccurring clients, so they want weekly work. 10 hours a week, you choose your own schedule, and you can travel the world doing your own music, working 10 hours a week, and then all the rest of the time you've got is to work on your music, and fuck the clients, just work on your stuff. So that's a really great source of income. Alright, the next source of income I've got for you guys is lessons. Now I know a lot of you guys are probably rappers and you guys like make beats and stuff, but you can even give lessons on how to mix and master, how to make beats. You know, you can charge a lot of money teaching people how to make beats using like FL Studio or Cubase or Ableton or whatever DAW you use. Teaching people those skills is amazing. People take entire college courses for that, and they pay hundreds of dollars to learn how to use a DAW. So if you know how to use a DAW, you know how to make beats, you know how to mix and master, you know how to tune your vocals and make them sound amazing, you know how to write some lyrics, things like that, or you know how to play some instruments, go ahead and do some online branding with Facebook, with Reddit, do some Craigslist ads, and eventually you'll have some students. And it only takes like 3-4 students a month, and you've got $400 a month, and then you can live in a country like me, in India or Malaysia or South America, Colombia, some place with a nice beach, and you've got a good living. I mean, think about it. You work 4 hours a week, you pay all your bills. It's a pretty good deal. Alright, the next one is the one that you guys definitely want to hear. It's streaming your music. Now, I know a lot of you guys are struggling a little bit to get your streams up. You're only getting maybe 1,000 streams a day or less. But the cool thing is streaming is a good way to get an income. You just have to understand how Spotify works, how to get yourself on playlists, and how to get your music out there. Once you figure out how to get your music out there, streaming then becomes an amazing income for you. I make a couple $100s a month with streaming, and it just keeps growing and growing and growing. It's getting to the point now to where that can be a major income for me, and that can also be a major income for you guys too. I mean, all you need is $400 a month, and you can live in a lot of these countries. If you make more than $400 a month, you know, that's just money that you can invest in your music career, which is amazing. So if you combine a lot of these ideas, you can easily be pulling in a couple grand a month and only working maybe 10, 14 hours a week, and the rest of your time you can be spending on your music. Alright, the fifth and final tip I'm going to give you guys is making courses on Udemy. Just like the course that I mentioned down below on how to make a music video, you guys too can make courses. You guys can make courses on how to make beats, you can make courses on how to make lyrics, you can make courses on anything. You can make courses on how to travel, you can make courses on wiping your ass. Like, I'm not even joking, you can make a course about anything. If it's something people are interested in, you can make a course about it. Now the cool thing about making courses is once you make the course, all you do is a small amount of advertising to get those first couple reviews, and once you've got those first couple reviews, it's automated income, which is amazing. And that's really, really great for you. So imagine you put up like 5, 10, 15 courses and all of a sudden you're making like 3 to 5 grand a month. And you just get that paycheck every single month. And you don't have to work anymore. Now that's a really, really great way to pull in some extra G's. And then you're living off of $500, $600 a month. You know, the rest of the 2 or 3 grand you can spend on like buying those amazing VSTs for your DAW. Or you can spend that on buying amazing equipment. Or you could just save it and use it to launch your songs or things like that. It's an amazing way to increase your income right now online so that you guys can travel the world and do whatever you want. So in future videos I'm going to cover how to do all of these things for you guys in more detail. I'm actually going to jump in and make some of these things with you guys and launch some songs with you guys so you guys can see how I get thousands and thousands of streams on some of my songs. I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how to make Udemy courses, walk you through the process of how to do Upwork, walk you through the process on all of these things. So if you guys want to see some more of that, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. And you guys have a wonderful day.